What is up, guys? Today we're going to be making brownies. Now this isn't going to be the first time we've done anything on a cooking video, but this time we're going to make probably one of my favorite desserts ever. So now I'm going to go grab my ingredients over there, and then I'll be back once I'm ready. Well, now that we have all of these ready, we're going to, hold on, y'all can't see. Let me move these out of the way. Yeah, there we go. We're going to bring it over here. Now, the oven we have, wait, like that. Oh,
Like
wait, oh, big, that's right. Clack.
325.
And then start. Now it's cooking. Now let it cook. So now we are going to go into the magical table for a medium-sized bowl. Now we're going to mix all of our ingredients in, and we are going to start with the, once again, pound of pure sugar we have, just like last time. Well, that's right. Another thing from the magical table, a sifter. Almost forgot. Oh my gosh, that's heavy. And then, once again, from inside the magical table, we have the whisk. The floor needed a little sugar. Now we're going to use the, oh, right. Magic. We're going to need this, the 3/4 of a cup of flour. Yeet. And now, almost forgot to get the extra flour off. And now we're going to grab, oh wait, no, not that. That's the wrong cup. Our cocoa powder. This is what it should look like. Don't taste it, but I will. It tastes nothing like chocolate yet. Yeet. Oh my gosh. That's a lot of cocoa smell. Hey, I guess you could call it smoko powder. Ha ha ha. Okay, the cocoa powder is filling the entire bowl up, so I literally have to hold the whisk now. Now, we add powdered sugar, 1/2 of a cup. Powdered sugar tastes really good. Hey, it helped wash out the cocoa powder flavor. Now the floor is very chocolatey. Oh, right.
That's okay.
And then we're gonna add the last of these, a 3/4 of, wait, wrong cup. It's this one. 3/4 of a tablespoon of salt. Yeet. Teaspoon, never mind. Now, I'm just gonna mix it. Wow, it looks very chocolatey. I bet it tastes better now. Now, we're going to stack all these back. We're going to stack all of these back up and get the rest of our ingredients. Now we have all of these ingredients. We have however much, it was half a cup of olive oil. Now, we are going to go back into the magical table for bigger bowl. Yeet. Now, 2 eggs. I need 2 hands for this.
Put them in your measuring cup.
Yeet. Smack. Well, there goes our oven. That was like the perfect crack, too. Okay, yeah, stop. Now, we're going to need a new item from the magical table. 2 tablespoons of water, which, for some reason, we have in a water burger ketchup bottle. It's backwards for y'all, but this video is not sponsored by Whataburger, by the way. That totally missed. My hand is soaking wet. That's probably enough. Just a little more. I can't. There's so much water on the floor. Schmack. Now we're gonna need our half of a teaspoon of vanilla extract. That is a full teaspoon. Like this. The same. This is what we need. Pop that open. Oh my gosh, that's a lot more than I needed, but who cares? It's vanilla extract. So now, I'm gonna grab the other thing of the other bowl, and then we're gonna put it in here.
Mix it first.
Oh, right. Where's my magical? Oh, I whisk. I left it in the bowl. Now this thing is really cocoa-y. I'm trying to be very careful so we don't shoot water out of the thing again. Okay, it should look something. Oh, yeah. Let me put the whisk down. It should look something like that. It looks like scrambled eggs if they were liquefied. Now, we are going to go magically grab the other one from over there. And then I'll get back with y'all once it's ready. Oh, wait. My phone is angled. There we go. Okay, technical difficulties are over. Oh, forgot to show you what this is supposed to look like. It should look like that. Not as bad. It's meh. Then, wait, hold on. To do this, you know what? Where is my No, it's not over here. Okay, never mind. I was gonna pull out the magical whisk foot. You know what'll work better? What? Oh, wrong thing. The magical spoon from under the table. Just to slowly push it in.
Mix.
There we go. Set that down for a second. And now we take our magical whisk again and mix it. Wow, why does this honestly kind of look pretty good? I remember when I used to make brownies all the time. Now, how does it? It tastes pretty good. The ground needed a little chocolate thing. Brownie batter. Okay, let's get a little more. You know what? We might as well just scoop the rest of it in here. Wow, most of it came out. There's just a little bit of stuff on this side. There we go. Okay. We don't need this anymore. Bowl magically floats away. Dang, this is getting hard to stir. Wow, this looks delicious. This literally looks just like chocolate ice cream if it were like gooey. What's it called? Chocolate fudge sundae ice cream, chocolate. I wish you could see how just much effort it takes to mix this thing. Ow. Okay, wait, hold on. This is what it should look like. I think I should mix it up a little more because it was kind of grainy. Let me get what's off the side off. We have pecans, because why not? You're supposed to cut them down. Now, hold on. Let me grab something from the magical table. I choked on water. Now, we are going to grab another magical spoon from inside of the table for pecans, because I mean, dramatic effect, I guess. You know what, we're just gonna save that spoon for later. Yeet. How do these taste? Get away. How do these I can't get it. Come here, pecan. They don't have much flavor. You don't have to add the pecans, by the way. I just did that because it just meh. hard to stir. Oh, my wrist. I popped my wrist. Now, we have pan for when I'm done mixing. Because it still is crummy. Let's see. Don't ask why I'm eating raw eggs. Dang. That tastes pretty good. You can also, I guess, if you wanted, you could probably add peanuts to it. Or other types of nuts, just in case you wanted a nut brownie. I think that's good enough. Okay. Now, I didn't mean to drop that. Technical difficulties. Okay, we have new scraper. Now, the ground needed a little chocolate. That tastes delicious. So, that's exactly what I didn't want you to do. Okay, yeah, we're just going to set this aside for that. Because I don't want to have to deal with that currently. Now, get pan. Get bowl with batter or whatever it's called. Pour batter in bowl. You know what? Why don't we grab the other magical spoon? Never mind. I don't know where it went. I think I dropped it earlier. Just don't mind that. That was just something rattling around in the magical desk. There we go. Another one. That's all over my thumb. Hey. Hey, luckily we have a magical table that gives me anything I want. So, napkin. I grabbed 2 napkins. I missed. Okay, now to get the rest of it in here without getting it all over my hand. So annoying. Let me get. Okay, yeah, this one's getting a little too big. Off to get all that ready while I finish licking this. I would be a terrible chef. Hey, come here, puppy. There we go. Into the sink it goes. Now we have a smaller one. Come out. that's all over the magical table.
That's good.
Oh my god. There's a lot left in here though. Look at all that. Oh. Oh. It's okay, we're gonna lick this bowl once we're done. That's my magical spoon from the magical table. Now, once you have it all in your pan, you're gonna wanna put it in oven for, I'd say about 45 minutes. Let me grab another napkin from Magical Table. Trash. Now, another thing from Magical Table. We are going to need my good old fire gloves. Let me slide these on. Slip. Slip. I'm gonna have to be careful. The cocoa powder got all the way over here. Okay, so now open the oven. My glove. Grab your brownie and slide it in. Here it again. Now, close it up. Now, we're gonna get the chocolate off the floor with another 2 napkins from the Magical Table. Woohoo! I feel like the Magical Table is gonna become a meme for the rest of the channel. And now while we're at it, we might as well just take out all that's left in here.
Wrap.
So now, in part 2, we are going to come back when this is fully cooked.